Lesson 3. Physical excellence leads to mastery in life. Few people are better examples of self-discipline and commitment than professional athletes. When an average person looks at an elite performer, say a world-class tennis player, they see his or her abilities seem natural, easy. They conclude he was born with it, or it was given to him, and they couldn't be farther from the truth. What they see is an event, the act of winning. What they don't see are thousands of hours of practice, countless hours of drills, hundreds of lost matches, sore muscles, and everything else that has made him or her the tennis player they are today. The champion tennis player wasn't born with their abilities, and neither is anyone else. His or her abilities are the result of a long process that took years or decades. The player's achievement might have something to do with their innate talent or physical strengths like great hand-eye coordination. However, if it weren't for the daily self-discipline to bring out those strengths, he or she would never have become a world-class tennis player. Taking up a sport and exercising regularly is a perfect introduction to the world of building self-discipline. You won't achieve any of your fitness goals without dedication, long-term planning, and determination. Charles Duhigg, author of The Power of Habit, calls regular physical activity a keystone habit, a habit that introduces several more positive habits as side effects of the first change. In the case of exercise, it's reduced overeating, smoking, alcohol consumption, and risk-taking. By adding physical activity to your daily routine, you can develop these positive side habits almost automatically. According to research conducted for the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 34.9% of U.S. adults are obese. It's safe to say that too many people in the Western world have never engaged in sports for long enough to develop strong habits of self-discipline and persistence. If they had, the rates of obesity wouldn't be so high, because developing these traits generates permanent lifestyle changes that aren't obesity-friendly. Consequently, physical excellence is an essential part of building a disciplined life. And no, I'm not talking about becoming a world-class athlete or a perfectly sculpted human being. Constantly working on your health and fitness to your personal capabilities and genetics, and not comparing yourself to others, is what builds a great deal of self-discipline in life. While you can't build a strong body or dramatically improve your fitness overnight, exercise is a perfect addition to your daily self-discipline building habits. Let's talk about it in more detail in the next lesson.